The drone industry is currently standing on the precipice of a total revolution. And if you're even remotely interested in aerial cinematography, you need to pay close attention to what is happening right now. We have been tracking supply chain leaks, internal blueprints, and industry whispers for months, and the data is finally pointing toward a singular, unavoidable conclusion. The upcoming DJI Mini 6 Pro is not just an iteration. It is a complete rewrite of what a sub-250-gram drone can achieve. For years, we have lived with the compromises of mini drones. We accepted smaller sensors, limited dynamic range, and the occasional loss of signal in urban environments. But those days are officially numbered. The leaks surrounding this machine suggest that DJI has managed to pack cinema-grade performance into a frame that circumvents the most restrictive FAA and international regulations, essentially handing professional-level tools to the average creator. Welcome back to my channel Tech Rivet for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more tech updates. This is the moment where the line between hobbyist and professional equipment begins to blur into obscurity, leaving the rest of the market scrambling to catch up. Imagine walking into a high-stakes filming location with a drone that fits in your jacket pocket, but delivers the kind of visual fidelity we once thought reserved for heavy-lift cinema rigs. The core of this excitement lies in the rumored 1-inch stacked CMOS sensor. If these leaks hold true, the DJI Mini 6 Pro will effectively eliminate the rolling shutter and jello effects that have plagued smaller drones for years. This isn't just about megapixels, it's about light sensitivity and dynamic range. A 1-inch stacked sensor allows for clean, grain-free footage in low-light conditions that would make current models struggle. For the travel vlogger or the commercial pilot who needs to capture the golden hour without lugging around a heavy backpack, this shift in sensor technology is nothing short of miraculous. You are looking at a future where 6K video at 60 frames per second is the new standard, giving you the flexibility to crop, punch in, and reframe your shots in post-production without sacrificing the crispness your audience demands. But it isn't just about the camera. One of the most persistent rumors, and perhaps the most game-changing, is the inclusion of a true mechanical variable aperture. We're talking about an f/1.8 to f/11 range, giving you the kind of light control that was once exclusive to the Mavic Pro or Air series. Why does this matter? Because it means you can maintain your shutter speed and cinematic motion blur, even when lighting conditions shift dramatically mid-flight. You won't be constantly landing the drone to swap out ND filters, which keeps you in the air longer and ensures you never miss that perfect shot. This level of physical control, paired with a sub-250-gram weight class, is a technical feat that is difficult to overstate. It fundamentally changes the workflow for every professional Part 107 pilot in the United States, allowing you to bypass the cumbersome registration and regulatory hurdles that usually accompany larger, heavier aircraft, all while outputting footage that looks like it came from a dedicated cinema camera. Then, there's the issue of safety and flight intelligence. We've seen obstacle avoidance on mini drones before, but the DJI Mini 6 Pro appears to be stepping into the realm of nightscape LiDAR. This isn't just a basic vision sensor. It is a precision system capable of mapping environments in near-total darkness. For those of you who have ever worried about flying through tree branches or navigating tight urban spaces, this feature is the ultimate peace of mind. It turns the drone into a sentient aerial navigator. Combine this with a massive upgrade to the DJI O5 transmission system, which utilizes 5G cellular bonding to maintain a rock-solid, high-definition feed even in the most interference-heavy cities like New York or London, and you have a machine that refuses to be grounded. Whether you're navigating a dense forest or a crowded skyline, the connectivity and obstacle avoidance features are designed to keep your gear safe and your feed crisp. Let's talk about the silent killer of all drone enthusiasm, battery life. We have all been there. You finally get the perfect lighting, you've set up our shot, and your controller starts screaming that you have 10% battery left. The latest supply chain reports suggest that the DJI Mini 6 Pro will leverage new high-density solid-state battery chemistry to push flight times toward a staggering 60-minute threshold. When you combine an hour of airtime with the ability to hot-swap batteries, the traditional limitations of drone filmmaking effectively vanish. You aren't just taking a quick clip. You are capturing an entire narrative. This level of endurance means the Mini 6 Pro will likely become the go-to workhorse for real estate photographers, wedding cinematographers, and documentary filmmakers who cannot afford to land every 15 minutes. As we look toward the official release date, it's clear that the landscape of 2026 is being shaped by this one device. If you're currently sitting on the fence about purchasing a drone, the smartest move you can make is to wait and see how the market reacts to this launch. The DJI Mini 6 Pro isn't just another update. It is an industry reset. The integration of 6K resolution, the mechanical aperture, the LiDAR-driven navigation, and the 60-minute battery life create a value proposition that is currently unrivaled in the lightweight category. By staying informed on these leaks and understanding the technical reality behind them, you are positioning yourself to be at the forefront of this new era of aerial storytelling. Keep your eyes on the horizon, because the way we film the world is about to become a whole lot smaller, a whole lot sharper, and a whole lot more professional.